Hello everybody! Have you ever heard of amazake? Amazake is a Japanese superfood and I like it so much. Because I like it so much, every time I found it, I bought it. So I have so many of them in my house. Amazake is said to be a drinkable IV shot because it's got so much of nutrition. Because I like it so much, why not? I should just make it myself. The ingredients are water, rice. This time, I use mochi rice and malted rice. First of all, rinse the rice with water until the water gets clear. Then set it in a rice cooker with double amount of water to make rice porridge. Meanwhile, loosen the malted rice. When the rice cooked, try to smash it as much as you can. And add water to lower the temperature. Then add malted rice and mix it really well. Put it back in the rice cooker. Just make sure, set the temperature between 65 to 70 Celsius at all time. This is very, very important. Then cover with a wet towel and press the keep warm button. Leave it for at least 8 hours. You should check the temperature and mix well every 2 hours. When it's done, put it all into a pan and 1/3 amount of water. Heat this up to stop fermentation. I love this smell. It makes me so happy. I'm just going to show you one more recipe using this amazake. The ingredients are milk, grated ginger, and honey. You squeeze the ginger to add ginger juice into the amazake. Honey and milk. Heat it up. That's it. It's got gingerness, so this is gonna make my body so warm from inside. So I drink it every morning. Would you like to try it out? Please do. And I hope you feel much more healthy with this amazake. And one more thing, I'd love to know your special recipe of spicy chai. So if you have it and you feel like you can share with me, then please write down in the box below. So I'll be waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.